Open the easyedge website and click Login. Enter the user, and we will see the user interface. Click Systems and click Go to Project to jump to the Creation Configuration interface. Click Add Edge Node to create an edge node. Select Linux Standard and click Next. Select the Linux architecture. Since BL340 is an ARMv8 system, we select Linux ARMv8 A64 architecture. Enter the location where you want to store the easyedge installer on your device. Here it is stored in /edge-easy. Enter the name. Only need to create one channel. After creation, we will see a string of installation instructions at the top. Enter the BL340 operating system and enter mkdir easyedge in the root directory to create a folder related to easyedge. Copy the Linux instructions obtained from the official website and press Enter to install. Wait for the installation to complete and enter the easyedge folder. We can see the installed easyedge related file packages. Back to the platform and you can see that the device status is healthy. Go to the easyedge website and select Assets to create a collection node. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner. Select the device node you created and click Next. Select the relevant protocol. Here we choose Modbus RTU TCP client. We choose Create from Scratch. Click on the folder to create a connection node. Select Folders, select the created node. Click the plus sign. Add the address and collection quantity of the collection node, and select the data type. Go back to the folder, click Settings, and enter the collected server IP and port number. After filling in the information, click Next. Click the airplane icon at the top, select the downloaded device node, and click Deploy.